Tá minscrúdú a dhéanú ar neodrach na hÉireann.
Thomas an seo chun agóide gine a nabh nódrachas nó chun agóide gine arm na hurpa.
Dealaíonn sé an pobal.
Tá cúpla rud sa saoil go bhfuil camúid an arrow thuirtóp. Neodrachta, Neutrality, sin ceann.
Ach cad is bré le neodrach na hÉireann.
Tá sé ceart go leor trúpaí bhearachá chiaataisteach rí ar fad na sionnaine. Tá sé ceart go leor néitó bheith tréinal chuide go saidir sinnaine. Agus más fear agus níos samar fear go bhfuil cead an RAF chiaataisteach agus goil geitilteas cín le tíre.
Neodra ach an bhfuilmuid ag bra ar ghaoine eile.
I won't go into too much detail on it, but the intelligence, the information was available to us from the RAF, from British intelligence, because of a long-standing arrangement between Ireland and the UK.
Agus cé dearcú atá ag tíortha eile faoi neodrach na hÉireann.
Based on the statements by the Irish government and its actions in the international realm, we certainly don't see any big portion of neutrality.
Nuair a bhristar síos neodrach na hÉireann le minscrúdú a dhéanú orthaí, cad is brí leithí in Éire. Agus cé chu neodra a Jeremy mílete agus atá Éire a go hex an chogaís in Europe. Do you think the public will be surprised to hear there were Irish soldiers on a NATO mission in Afghanistan?
The Defence Forces, you volunteer to serve overseas. I was a volunteer to go overseas. Headquarters then decides who was going to which mission around the world. And I was picked to go to Afghanistan, and there were 7 of us serving in Afghanistan.
But Ireland isn't in NATO.
That's correct, but we were there as a UN-approved mission.